Hey there, it's Brittany, and I don't know about you, but time has been flying past for me. I have 2 Magical Mystery Bead boxes that I want to unbox today, and then I'll do a separate tutorial for the August box. First one I'm going to show you is the July box. My goodness, I can't believe I didn't show this. It's called Midsummer Night's Dream. Haven't been spoiled on it because I haven't had time to look at stuff online. But let's take a look at what's in this box. It's yummy. Oh my goodness. I'm going to pull this out because holy mama, I've never seen a strand like this in my life. Midsummer Night's Dream strand. Would you look at this strand? Oh my gosh, 2 strands actually. Look at all these beautiful beads. Oh, I want to make an earring like that. These are gorgeous. Lots of flowers in glass and acrylic and metal, and then some beautiful, I think they're glass sleeves. Beautiful. There's even, I think this is check. Maybe just pressed glass, but beautiful. Love that. Then we have Queen Tatiana. I don't know how to say that. I've never seen this play, so I'm sorry. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, these are big golden bead caps. Really lovely. Some larger pink bicones. Ooh, some pretty clover or quadrifoil beads. I love that shape. Very cool color. Some bling balls with an iridescence on them. Some flowers. Those are cute. Lots of AB. Some mermaid glass. Very pretty. Oh, little butterflies. They're marguerites too. That's fun. That's a cute bead. I like that. And then some crystal rondelle spacers. Lovely mix. I love those little butterfly beads. Next we have Love Never Did Run Smooth. Very fun. 2 little, just perfect to make pair of earrings. 2 little flower posts, earring posts, and they both have a loop. And then some cute, I don't know if these are lotuses. I don't know what kind of flower that's supposed to be, but those are really pretty. And then 2 earring backs. You could pair that with any of the beads that were in that last mix we looked at, or the strand. King Oberon. Oh, this is pretty. Fuchsias and teals. So we've got these pretty little pretty little flowers. Some frosted glass in a nice purpley fuchsia. Some beautiful coins. Look at those. Some acrylic bling balls or Shambhala beads. Some teal rondelles, crystal rondelles. Look at these cushion cut like little pillow beads. Those are gorgeous. Both sides are beautiful. Some cloisonne in a teardrop shape and a round. And then some sheriff stars. Some daisies. Love that. These are really pretty. Like that would, like a whole bracelet of these would just be gorgeous. Next, Lover's Quarrel. Looks like some chain. Really pretty. Very soft tones. Pink, green, yellow, blue. Beautiful. I love that. Oh, some really fun decorative head pins in silver color. Oh, 2 different styles. Okay. So we have this style. Really fun. You could paint these too. And then this more like dandelion style. Those are gorgeous. I love those. Chain reaction. Lots of chain reaction. But it's good for using as connectors too if you don't want to just use it as chains. Met My Moonlight, so it looks like it's an amethyst strand. Really pretty nuggets, larger nuggets. And then last but not least, Making Mischief. Actually, no, there's 2 things. Making Mischief and Enchanted Forest. So let's open this Making Mischief focal stone, or stone focal. That's very nice. I don't know, it's some kind of dyed, maybe a jasper. Very nice. And then Enchanted Forest. Metal leaf set. Wow, look at this branch. That's a cool focal. And then we've got some silver and gold tone leaves. Very nice box. Very beautiful. My favorites were this strand and this mix. Love the whole box though, really gorgeous. All right, let me put this away and then we'll look at August's box. Okay, August's box is, ooh, the Pony Espresso. This is about to be Southwestern. I'm gonna be very excited. Oh, it is Wild West. Oh my goodness. Oh, right off the bat, I'm seeing some hearts and some of my favorite colors. Into the Sunset bead strand. So we've got some peachy color hearts, tan drops, some hexagons, and some squares. Very fun. Oh, and some coins. Very fun color palette there. It's this Lone Star Focal and Connector set. That's fun. Little denim-ish flowers. Very cute. Love the color. And then, oh, I love this star. I immediately want a bracelet out of it. That's what we'll be making with this box in the tutorial. I don't even know what else is in here. Oh, these are teeny tiny High Noon seed beads. Very pretty mustardy color. Saddle Up wood bead mix. I actually have a whole strand of these boots and have never used them because I love them so much. So I'm excited to see them in this mix. Love these carved little flowers in 2 different colors, 3 different colors. So we have a medium, light, and dark tone wood. I like the medium the most. Some twisted wood beads, some coins, and then some rounds in several different shapes and colors. Very cool. I love a wood bead. This is just, that's so cute. I love it so much. Ooh, a metal bead mix. Yeehaw. Tons of metal in here. I love Jesse James bead spacers. So excited to get those into my stash. What are these? Cactus Farm specialty beads. Oh my goodness. They do feel like a cactus. Like, don't step on one of these. It'll hurt worse than a Lego. My goodness, these are cool. Those are gorgeous. I want a whole million of them. Then we've got some chain. This is Rodeo. Some paperclip chain. Love that. That would actually look really great with this on a necklace. No, I want a bracelet. I'm like talking myself out of it, but that would be really fun on a necklace too. Then we have, ooh, more paperclip chain in Gold Rush, and it's an antique brass. That's really nice. And then we have a mix, which is Monument Valley. And it's all little crystals. That's kind of cool. I like that. I like that. They didn't go complicated, but I love the color combo. So we have these darker blue crystal rondelles. We have these tiny baby pinkish coral crystal rondelles, some peach, they almost look table cut, like horse eye shape. Really nice. And some squares or cubes in a citrine color. Some teardrops, like a green metallic, and some violettes in a brown topaz-y color. Very cool mix. I like that. And then last but not least, we have Wild West bead strand. Very pretty. Oh, I like the frame bead. I like what they did with the frame bead. They put this silver cross bead in there, and it looks like faux stamped. We've got Shambhala bead, bling ball, ceramic bead. That's cool. I think I'm going to mimic that, or not mimic it, but recreate it when we do our bracelet. That's really nice. I like that idea. Thank you for Jesse James Beads for that idea. Yeah, we're going to be making a bracelet, maybe a pair of earrings, but in a different video. So if you're interested in subscribing to Jesse James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box, I put a affiliate link in the description of this video. And if these 2 boxes are still for sale, I'll put those in there as well. Those links help the channel. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know which box of the 2 was your favorite. I actually like them both very much, but of course my heart's gonna be with the Southwestern stuff. But they were both very close to being my favorite this time. This is my favorite piece of this box, along with this strand. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Good morning. We having our morning cuddle? Yeah. cute.
Yeah, you're such a sweetie.